My name is Shilpa Rajak, Faculty of Commerce and Management Department of Shri Rawatpura Sarkari University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today, my topic is grievance management. Before we start a grievance management, I would like to introduce the grievance. What is the grievance? What is the meaning of the grievance? And what is the introduction of grievance? So, grievance management. Conflict or disagreement of occur between employees and organization regarding a employment condition. Such as conflict result in dissatisfaction or senses of injustice in an employee. Grievance may be a genuine and imaginary at the part of the employee, but it is the producer low morale, frustration, and the discommitment. According to the Michael, the definition of the grievance is any discontent of the dissatisfaction, whether expressed or not, whether valid or not, arising out of the anything connected with the company that an employee thinks, believe, or even feel in is unfair, unjust, and inequitable is called as a grievance. Before, according to them, the dissatisfaction is anything that disturb any employees, whether or not her express his unrest in a word and the complaint is a spoken or written dissatisfaction brought to the attention of the supervisor and the shop and the student and the grievances. These are a call as a grievance. What is a grievance? Grievance are a complaint that has been formally registered in accordance with the grievance procedure. Grievance is a formal dispute between employee and management on the condition of the employment. After that, what is the reason of grievance? First, first is the reason is grievance is economic. What is the economic grievance? Economic grievance is what if the people and the work has less than imagine and they will become ought to be is called as a economic grievance, such like wages computation sort of the wages is a economic grievance. Working environment, when the people have feel their working environment is not a poor working condition, they will not provide a good machineries, equipment, tools, that is a working environment. The next is supervision. Supervision. It may be objection to the general method of the supervision related to the attitude of the supervisor toward the employees, such as the perceived the nation of the bias, favoritism, nepotism, caste affiliation, and the regional feeling. The next is a work group or organizational changes. Any change in the organizational policy and result in a grievances, it's called as an organizational change. For example, the implementation of the revised company policy or new working practice is also called as a grievance management. Yeah, grievance reason. And the next is the employee relation or the organizational work organizational problems. Employees are unable to adjust their colleagues, suffer from the feeling of the neglect and the victimization, and they become an object of the ridicule and the humiliation. That is also a called as the employee relation dispute. These reasons are also a grievance reason. Miscellaneous, some of the part of the some part of the grievances is also as a this may be a issue relating certain violation is in respect of the promotion, safety method, transfer, indisciplinary rules, fining, and the grading leaves. Medical facility is also a reason of the grievance. These processes are called as a grievance reason. The next topic is form of grievance. What are the form of the grievances? These are three forms: factual, imaginary, and disgust. So shall we start from the one as factual. Factual grievance arises when the legitimate need of the employer remain unfilled. For example, wage hikes has been agreed but not implemented. It is the most important grievances in the grievance management. Imaginary, when an employee grievance is because of the wrong perception, wrong attitude, and the wrong information. Though it is not a fault of the management, the responsibility for the redressal still rented with the management is called as a imaginary grievances. The next is the disgust. An employee may have a dissatisfaction for reasons that are unknown to himself. If he or she is under pressure from the family, friends, relative, neighbors, he or she may reach the work spot with the heavy heart. If new recruit get a new table and the cupboard, this may be become an eye of sore to other employee who have not been treated likewise previously. This is called as the disgust. These are the form of the grievance. The next is grievance handling. When the people have facing the some problem in their organization, the organization committee have a cell in a grievance management. So the question is arising from the W. These are the some W's that are handling the grievances. First is the who is involved, when did it happen, where did it happen, what happened exactly in the form of the grievance, what is the grievable, when must be the grievance is filled, what are the deadline dates, what must be done by that. These questions as arising when the organization when the grievance cell has asking some grievance effect. The grievance effect on the organization and the grievance management is the first is the loss of interest in a work. When the loss of interest in a work, grievances arises, these may be affected in the production. First is low quality of production, low productivity, increase in the waste of the material spoilage and the leakage of machineries, increasing the cost of the production per unit. These are the part of the production that should be a when grievance has arises, it should be a come under the production. Next is the on the employee, increasing in the rate of the absenteeism and turnover. When the grievance is arises in the company, the first is effect to the absenteeism and turnover, reduction in the level of commitment and sincerity and punctuality, increasing in incident and the accidents, and reduction in the level of morality. These are the part of the employees. And the next is the on the manager. When the grievances arises in the organization, this must be effect on the manager also, like how strained supervisor subordinate relation, increasing the degree of supervision and control, increasing the indiscipline cases and increasing unrest thereby the machinery and maintain the industrial peace. These are the form of the effect that should be affect to the organization. Next is grievance identification technique. How you can identify the grievances in your organization. These are a four types. First is the observation, second is the open door policy, third is the grip boxes, and fourth is the exit interviews. So we start from the one is first is the observation. Observation, knowledge of human behavior is requisite quality of good manager from the changed behavior of any employee. He should sniff the causes of the grievances without its knowledge to the employee is as a observation. These the part of the grievances that should we have to identify the grievances in the organization. The next is the grip box. The grip box is means what? The suggestion box. For the instant are the place at the easily accessible spot of the most employee in the organization. The employee can be file anonymous and they complain about their dissatisfaction in these boxes. This should be a good part of the organization that organization have to suggest boxes and the grip boxes, the complaint boxes also. It can be called as a complaint boxes also. Okay. And the next is the open door policy. What do you mean by the open door policy? Most of the organization still don't practice this, but open door policy demand that the employee even at the lowest rank should have as easy access to the chief executive get his grievances redresses. This is the open door policy. Next is the exit interview. What do you mean by the exit interview? These interviews are conducted to know the reason for leaving the job. Properly the conduct exit interview can provide the significant information about the strength and the weakness of the organization and can pave way for the further improvement. These are the identification of the technique that organizational grievance cell organization has to use it. So these are the grievances identification technique, and these are the grievance management cell. Thank you.